Hi there. Let's take together a journey of Spring BME and find out what this is all about. Spring BME is one-stop shop to set up your iGaming business. To enable sports betting and gaming products for your operation is a single click away. A clear pricing of our products and solutions is always available. Here you will find in which reputable jurisdiction our software is licensed and certified. If you need to apply for your own gaming license, our specialists are here to give a hand. We will assist you also for other business services. Get always updated with global iGaming industry news. In B2B Marketplace, you can find offerings for your online and land-based operation. In case you don't want to start your own business from the scratch, we offer you ready-made operations with mapped infrastructure and existing client base. One of our goals is to bring all the vendors, technology providers, and operators into one friendly and comfortable environment. Now, let's make all this work. Go to console and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for free. You will need to pass a simple email verification and you're in. Spring BME Console is a real helping hand in setting up and controlling all your gaming operations. You can build your business through several clicks. Let's start from creating project. Fill in the required information like project name. Select the solution that is convenient for your business model. To understand better the difference between turnkey and white label solutions, you can visit our help section and find the relevant article. In brief, if you want to operate with your own gaming license and your own payment wallets, then you pick turnkey. If you want to use one of BetConstruct licenses and payment methods, you pick white label. Choose the default currency. Please note that all the limits for bets will be in your main currency. Select other supported currencies, which mean your players can choose while registering. You can select unlimited count from the list. Default language is the main language of your website. You can select further other supported languages from the list, again, unlimited count. If you don't find the language that suits to your operation, you can always order a service and our specialists will deliver you the translation. Select your time zone. Please note that all the reports will be calculated based on this time. We offer you two website engines, Classic CMS and Spring Builder CMS. They differ by technology, provided design view, and management tools. Classic CMS provides you one website template chosen by the major part of our operators. It gives you flexibility to manage promotional banners and text content, also pop-up messages targeted by user behavior. Spring Builder is an advanced content management system with drag-and-drop technology. Any person with designer skills can create websites from the scratch. No technical background is required. You can also use 10 of our templates crafted by the professionals. Using Spring Builder CMS, you can apply changes to the website structure, design view, content, etc. Pick one of the templates and create. Our system generates a trial website with a trial URL and builds the project according to your settings. Once the project is created, we are redirected to the Manage Project section, where you can view your project, edit with Spring Builder CMS. In order to edit with Classic CMS, please access BetConstruct Backoffice from the application menu on the top. You have a possibility to do several actions with your projects. Go to Settings for Edit. You can manage the permissions of the users who you want to share your project with. Press on Add, type the email, choose a role, only owner role so far, then press Add. An invitation email will be sent to the person who will have access to your project upon the login. You can also archive your projects. Please note that the project will be scheduled to be deleted in 30 days. Type the project name, project ID, and press Archive. It appears below in Archived section. Now let's go and enable products for our website. For example, Sportsbook. Click Enable and your Sportsbook immediately becomes available through all delivery channels. In Setup section, you can find basic limit settings which make the Sportsbook work. For detailed limits customization, please visit BetConstruct back office from the Applications menu on the top. Now let's see how it appears on your website. This is with Classic CMS. This one is Spring Builder. The template we have selected already contains sports. To provide better sports betting experience to your players, enable also Sports Statistics product. Start setup with Google Analytics tracking and tag manager IDs. Enable hints, bet now option. Choose the theme of the page, dark or bright. Choose hero color, gradient color, and save. Now let's see how it appears on our website. This is with Classic CMS. Here is Spring Builder. To complete the sports betting experience of your players, enable also live sports video streaming by BetConstruct. Perform, IMG, and other major providers are also integrated into the platform that can be enabled for your operation based on your agreements with them. Here is live streaming. Now Spring Builder. You can enable other betting products as well, Virtuals by BetConstruct and other well-known providers such as Golden Race, Inspired Gaming, etc. Now let's see how it appears on your website. Refresh the page. And let's go check on Spring Builder. If you want to offer to your players exciting casino games as well, you can go and start setting up gaming products. Click on Enable, choose the game providers you want to offer. You can come back and disable them anytime you want. 4,000 casino games are available for you. Please note that some game providers require to pass due diligence of your company before they allow you to offer their games. You will need to request, download the application form, fill it in, then upload it back, upload all the other required documents, then save. A service with your request is opened on our specialist, which you can monitor in Services section. You will receive status updates with instant notifications and email. Let's go check how our casino is displayed on the website. Classic CMS. Spring Builder. Continue with gaming products and enable also live casino, which will ensure you high rollers and VIPs. Go to Setup, choose BetConstruct. Here are general settings to apply, then go to Games and start configure game by game, table by table. Default limitation is applied to the tables, which you can save or change. Press Save, then go to explore the other providers, such as Evolution Gaming, Lucky Strike, etc. Let's check how it appears on your website. Classic. Spring Builder. What about offering to your players skill games? Go to Poker, go to Setup. As a trial project, your poker room will be limited with your local network. Once you start the live operation, you will join BetConstruct Poker Network and share the game with all our operators. Upload the logo in SVG format and your logo will appear on the poker table during the game. Then the default avatar in PNG format that your players will have before they decide to change. Choose web application with instant play on desktop and mobile settings. Download application for desktop, which is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Type the name of the package, program name, select supported languages from the list, logo for the application shortcut, then press save. The system will generate and provide links from the game which you can place on website and start exploring. Here is our poker. Spring Builder. Another exciting skill game is Fantasy Sports. Choose the theme of the game, dark or bright. Apply colors according to your brand book. The advanced colors will be auto-generated according to your main color. Select the rake per each bet you will collect as a house fee. Press save. Now let's go and check. On Spring Builder, we don't have fantasy on the menu. Let's go create a page. Here we go, fast and easy. We offer Spring Pro as enterprise solution to the companies with operational independence from BetConstruct. We provide you technology to employ your own traders and risk managers, also to run your own player management. Spring Pro can be easily integrated with third-party software and be connected to any front end. A successful story is behind of this solution for a United States-based company, BC Technologies. Other exciting products are here to enable for your operation. You can find our retail products with Coming Soon label. You will receive an update notification very soon to come up and try your own. Meanwhile, you can request a demo from our team by contacting us via 24-hour support. There is no limit on adding products for your operation. Try what you need. You can come back and disable any product anytime. Now that you are done with your website and products, go start configuring your payments. If you are a white label partner of BetConstruct, you will get automatically all these payment methods on your website. You will use default limits and currencies available for the payment methods. If you use turnkey solution and have separate agreements with the payment providers, you can come and set up your payments easily. For example, Skrill. Go to Setup, fill in the information from your merchant account or your agreement with Skrill. You can have deposit, withdrawal, or both methods. Apply limits per each currency, then submit. You can disable, then enable back anytime. If you want to offer your own bank forms on your website, go to Create Payment. Start configuring fields. Select Text option to input text manually, like name. Select Date option and the calendar with picker will pop up, like for birthday. To select the banks from the list, use Select option. Then add banks. Apply the limits. Go preview the form. Then submit. Our in-house payment gateway FastShift will become available very soon. It will give you advantages such as signing a single agreement with FastShift and get all the payments from all over the world. Also an advantage of having the most reasonable commissions for your payment transactions. Now let's go preview our payments. This is white label. This one is turnkey. you can find hints on the missing products and games for your operation. Now the system is offering to enable more game providers. I press, and all one-click providers become enabled immediately for the operation through all delivery channels. Okay, now you have your products and payments configured. It's time for marketing tools. Affiliate software. Click Enable, and it becomes available for you. Same is with agent system. Try our in-house built client relationship management tool with a wide range of single tool campaign with real-time monitoring and analytical tools. Slot Builder is a powerful engine of slot machine. It allows you to apply your own creative design and create an entertaining slot game. You can offer your games also through BetConstruct network. All the marketing tools you can access from your back office from the apps menu on the top. So, you are all set, technically, and you can start your own live operation. If you don't want to hire dedicated teams to run day-to-day operation, or you need a professional hand, you can order business services such as legal, licensing, bookmaking, marketing, etc. Let's try together licensing, for example. Check the description, then the pricing. Press on order, write the title, then description, upload files if you need, then press order. Our specialists will get back to you in 1 business day. You can add your comments here, check the offers for your order. You have options to accept or decline the offer. If you are fine with the price, go to payment, choose one of the methods here, then proceed. Instant notifications are sent to you on every status change or comment. Once the work is completed from our end, we will send you a request to close the order. Only you can close it once you are satisfied with the work. In Developers section, you will find useful documentation about our Products and Solutions API, the latest open source projects which allow the operators to create their own digital products. You can monitor your billing in Invoice section. Each month, the system will generate the bill according to the commercials stated in our mutual agreement. We work hard to be able to provide you billing information in real time. This is the project selector if you want to move between your projects. Here is application menu where you can access to all our apps using a single user account. In Help section, you will find Interface Tour Guide with chronological steps of generating your projects. Some useful help articles also are accessible from here. Instant notification on updates are pushed to this section. You can view all your activity as well, also the activity of the people that you share your project with. In Latest News section, you will find latest additions and improvements of Spring BME application. And finally, this is your account, but don't hurry to log out. Let's sum up what we have learned. Spring BME is one-stop shop to create your iGaming business fast and easy. The barriers against the entry to the iGaming industry are removed. Update notifications on the industry latest additions and innovations are sent to you, offering to join them. And more importantly, with all this time-saving and flexible technology, Spring BME allows you to become a reseller and start your own B2B business. Hope this was helpful, and please don't forget about 24/7 support. Ask us any question. See you very soon for new exciting updates.